about a really good song that he heard in the parking lot with the radio playing. Do recall that somebody was saying the girl he met was causing them a whole lot of hurt. Yes, well, I'm not sure, but I think he said at the time she borrowed his time he did not know. I think her name was Eloise or Laura, but she would always make a point to jot the boy nights when she could. So I'm trying, slow, Lord, I try to understand that the road less traveled is sometimes the best way to go. Yeah. The clocks from day to day, I know life need not be that way. On a way out, if only just a one day. So you're loading up that loading ramp. The sound checks good, we set up the camp. We ready, yeah, ready. Couple of ruins down in back 40s, yeah, a couple of them Chelsea girls sat on the edge of the stage. The music was roaring and loud like Guinness was flowing. We left the troubles behind us for just one day.